Could your home pass its home inspection? Could it really? Hi, it's Gary with Evans Realty Group. In a minute, we're going to tell you about how to get our free report, 11 costly home inspection traps to know weeks before listing your home. But right now, here's one you probably hadn't thought about. That's your foundation. When's the last time you walked and looked at the brick around your home? Do you have doors sticking? Do you have cracks in the sheetrock in the interior? All of these things you need to know weeks before listing your home. You don't want to find out about them in the middle of the transaction. It could cost you thousands. It could cost you to have to go back on the market, negotiate with the buyer. It could be very costly. But if you know about them up front, you can address them then. So go to reportsbygary.com, reportsbygary.com. It's a free report. We'll get that right out to you. We're on a mission to raise $10,000 for Texas Children's Hospital. Thank you for your support there. Your referrals of business really do help those kids. And we also want to let you know that please, if you found this information helpful, found it valuable, like it, share it, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss a minute of it. And then we'd like to thank you for watching today. We really do appreciate it. And you can always call me, 832-721-0442. Again, thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day, and we're going to talk to all of you again real soon.